Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Steel Flame Hagakure here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Maybe you're in a good mood, you can comment, or maybe you can share the video. You can do everything you want as long as you enjoy the video. It's gonna be fine. So let's go ahead and try to see if we can improve the action on this fella. You see, you disengage the lock bar, it just goes down, but it needs some vigorous shaking to get this blade in the close position. I can already see like the detent is strong, the lock bar pressure is high, so I'm assuming it's not gonna improve that much, but who knows. Let's go ahead and try. I think this is a T8 Torx bit, yeah. For this pretty cool anodized screws, you're gonna need to be careful and just go slow so you don't scratch, you don't remove any of this pretty cool anodization right there. And these are the handle screws which are gone, and this is the pivot screw which is spinning. Let me see if I can hold it on the other side. No, I can't. That's why you're gonna get another T8 bit, which is this guy. Nope. That's the T8. It's pretty good. And so you're just gonna, I like maybe this case to hold this fella right here, like in the vertical position, strong grip. And then on this side, just very slowly, guys. When you do this, take your time, don't rush anything. Make sure you have a nice grip, like a vice probably would work, to hold this thing in place and not have anything to slip from your hand and just cause any scratch or damage to the knife. So this is it. So that is done. You see, just keep it pinched and open the blade like that. A little bit of wiggle and boom, this guy comes off. Bearings are coming out like that. Nice with the steel insert for the ceramic bearings in contact with titanium. So I see already some thick grease for the bearing action, which might not be optimal. That's why I'm gonna grab some rubbing alcohol right here and clean. See, like thick grease in the tracks. Look at that. We don't like that. We like some smooth action. It was nice, but I prefer something nicer. Who knows? Maybe we can improve this action here. And let's clean the blade a little bit more. There you go, nice hollow grind. Not sure about the steel on this one. To be honest, there's no markings here, but that's done. Let's clean also the, look at that, yeah, lots of grease here. So this is also gone. Second bearing also done. I'm tempted to do some skiff swap, maybe. I don't know if you guys are interested. Let me know in the comments. Is it something you would like to see, like the action compared, like between regular like factory bearings like these and like skiff. Skiffs are pretty cool, and I got a bunch of them, so I'm sure I've got one set for this one. So, but probably, you know, by the time this video is gonna be published, yeah, this guy's gonna be gone, because I already know a couple buddies already asking for this one because it's a pretty cool one and it's very unique. That's it, guys. Everything is clean. I'm gonna use 10 weight nano oil like that, and like 1, 2, 3 drops, and then your blade gets back in place like so, and then use this 1, 2, and 3 also for that, and this guy goes like that, and just a tiny one for the detent ball, and that's it, guys. So scale goes back like that, like not like that, let's just match the hole first here in the back and then here, and that's how it goes. So I'm just gonna start from the handle to have everything in place like so. So now there's tension here, so it's not ideal to do this. So I'm just gonna screw that in. Now everything is in place. I'm just gonna release the tension, and then I'm just gonna go back and make sure you see that this is, you see there was just a little bit left. Not too biggie, not a biggie, but we're gonna do tiny bit of blue Loctite for the thread of this pivot, like so, and boom, that is in. So that is in. We're gonna need another one, pretty sure. Yeah, it's okay, we got that. So actually, let's just make sure this guy wants to close. All right, pinch that. This is gonna be kept like that, vertical, hold strong, and then just screw that guy in to the point where the blade is centered. This looks a little bit over tightened already, I can see that. Yeah, so let's just go back a little bit, and remember, do these things like not in a rush. So blade centering, awesome, snappy action. Let's have the oil go around the detent ball track. Check out the tolerances, guys. Like, this is nice. Yeah, no, there's not gonna be any drop shot action because because it's the lock bar's tension is strong, detent is strong, but the action, guys, ooh, snappy. Look at that. That's a very, very cool one. There you have it, guys. So this is the Steel Flame Hagakure, and this is how you take it down and maintain it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.